There are many opportunities to use a renovation mortgage to create the home of your dreams, overcome problems with low housing inventory. When you see an ugly fixer-upper or handyman special that needs a bathroom and kitchen update, a new roof, or other major improvements, think Renovation Mortgage. For the as-is listing, also known as the fixer-upper. More opportunities to create the home of your dreams. For the home that has been on the market for months that doesn't sell even with a price reduction. Consider more homes during the house hunting process. Reduce the stress of finding the perfect home. Instead, look for great neighborhoods. Here's a few more opportunities. Resolve home inspection and environmental issues caused by mold. Add a home office. Add that in-ground swimming pool. Are you interested in generating rental income from an investment property? Consider the advantages of using a renovation mortgage to buy a single-family rental property. Do you need more information on one of the mortgage renovation topics that I just talked about? Just stay on my YouTube channel and look for these videos. For basic improvements, click on the 203K Limited and Standard Renovation Mortgage video. For luxury improvements, click on the Home Style Renovation Mortgage video. Here's a few more mortgage renovation topics. Just stay on my YouTube channel and look for this video. For single-family investment properties and second homes, click on the Home Style video as well.